Hi, friends and followers. So I've been trying to get this power supply straightened out. It basically works. This came with a Swan Swan 500. No, this came with a 700 CX I bought from eBay. Came from a guy in Jamaica, New York, who worked for CBS for a long time. Anyway, he sold me a very clean Swan 700 CX, and this power supply came with it, but I didn't trust it, and I turned it around and sold the 700 CX because it was clean, and I have too many Swan radios here in the house now, and they gotta go. So I like fixing these things up, but it takes a lot of time, so I have to get them out of here because I'm moving, so these gotta go. Anyway, this power supply, the symptoms of it were that when this thing was idling or turned off, this light was still on, and that drove me nuts. I finally found that this wire here was simply blown up in the middle. It had shorted out and blown up. Not sure why. I fixed that short. I'm not sure these were wired up right, but for the little indicator light, but I got them to work there. Verified. I'm not sure where this power supply board came from. It doesn't look to be a hard block board. I'm not sure what kind of board this is, but anyway, it seems to work well. And it has a volume setting for, what is it here? Anyway, yeah, there, you can see it right there. What the voltage settings are. 800 and 600. So I had it on 600 to run the Swan 350. It did seem like it ran on 800 also, so that was fine. Anyway, it's time to put this back together. I just want to give people a look inside a Swan, what is this thing? A 117 XC power supply, and some of the things that are done with these power supplies, and maybe some of the problems you might run into. So I guess I'll leave this thing on 800 volts and put it back together. But yeah, this is the inside of the power supply if you want to take a look. This cover goes on top. Some of them don't have covers because people were fixing them and lost the cover or threw it away or something, but you want to get one with a cover if you can. And that's about it. Oh yeah, here's the inside of the power plug. So took the power plug apart because I was all confused in the wiring, and